This is the DEWALT DCD 800 compact drill driver. It has a momentary work light when you trigger it. Let me shut the light off in the room. So you can see that that works. It's adjustable in its position. Times out after 20 seconds. Or you can set it as a work light and it will stay on for 20 minutes. And we can shut it completely off if you choose to do so. It has a slip clutch with the drill setting plus 15 additional slip settings. So if I run it down to the lightest, I can grip it and stop it. And then you can progressively make it tighter and more difficult until it is too difficult to hold. And by about 7 or 8, that's it. And it goes all the way up to the drill setting. 2-position speed selector, variable speed trigger, which is very easy to control. It's an all-steel chuck, which is wonderful. I had a plastic grip chuck that was a hassle because it tore up all the time. This one works very well. You twist to release or to tighten. So in this case, I'm going to open it all the way up, release it. I'm just going to touch it, run it open, throw a bit in it, just touch it a little bit, bring it down like that, and now without any other trigger, I'm just going to grip it and twist it, and it locks it into place. Again, twist to release. That was a 1/2 inch on a 3/8 shank, but it is a 1/2 inch chuck. This is a 1/16 inch bit. There, tighten it. Super tight, works wonderful. Forward, reverse, and lockout position on the trigger. I may have already mentioned the light is adjustable in its position, forward or up to about a 45-degree angle, so it illuminates at your workspace. Awesome drill driver, very compact. I can almost hide it behind my hand. Comes with 2 batteries, a charger, and a carry case. Battery indicator, been playing with this one for a while.
Hey folks, just showing this drill. I've had it for a wee while now. It's been marvelous. It's the DCD 800. It's got a sister drill which is almost identical, except it's got the hammer drill feature. 2 speeds, brushless, with a nice feature here with the flashlight like that. It can stay on, and that function can stay on for something like 15-20 minutes, and then you can flip this over to an intermediate setting, and then you get light for whatever it is, like a minute or something, or you can kill that. So if you're in a closet or whatever and screwing something in, it's a great feature. And you can adjust the pitch, which is also nice. What's the number one best thing about this? Huge amounts of torque. Basically, this is a drill bit here. This here is 5/8. It's got a little step down so it can fit in a half inch chuck. But with this drill, I've been drilling through 12mm thick steel plate. Different sizes of drill bits, up to and including that size. So it's been marvelous, and that's basically the main feature, I think, of this, and why I upgraded from the previous drill. Previous drill just not have the amount of torque it needed, and the reason why this drill is so good as well. A cord drill can have the power but only at high speed. So if you're drilling steel, it's useless because you superheat the tip and harden the steel and lose the dull the drill bit, and you basically don't go anywhere. So what you need is slow speed, huge amounts of torque, and this is what you want. So yeah, totally would recommend it.
Brushless rotor, has all the bells and whistles, comes with has a hammer function. Makita is known for making some of the highest quality on the planet. They used to make a lot of their tools in Japan. Recently, they stopped making tools in Japan. If you can find some of those Japanese tools, they are great quality.